This is a video presentation. 2011 Haas DT-1. Does have 4th axis capability on it. Probing. It's actually loaded up pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through its paces. Do the Z-axis now. Machine sounds really good. Do the coolant up and down. Go ahead and simulate a tool change. Okay. Come back and do the spindle here in a second. I need the keys. Get a look on the inside here. Just to confirm too, this is serial number 1088054, manufactured 8/2011. Does have the coolant tank. Looks like it's got a filter on it. It does have 4th axis, HA5C indexer, programmable coolant, through spindle coolant, rigid tap, chip auger, high-speed machining, quick code, wireless probing, 750 megabytes of expandable memory, high-intensity lighting. We'll go ahead and also run the 5C. Now this unit can be purchased without HA5C. If you're not in need of it, then we can obviously take that off and discount the machine. There we go. I'm gonna erase this real quick. There we go. Spindle's running right now at currently 3,000 RPM. That's about 8. There's no reason to fully crank it up right now, but it sounds good. It's nice and quiet. And again, this does have the probing. We have the probing, the probes in the tool changer, and then it also it has the touch off as well. So. This concludes the video presentation of the 2011 Haas DT-1.